Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brain changes with age. The possibility of nerve regeneration and role of hunger. The brain considered the most common important organ of the human body. It plays a crucial role in organizing, coordinating various functions of the body. It becomes difficult for older people to retrieve information quickly and easily as it for younger people. Even so, a brain is only 2% of your body weight. It uses 20 to 30% of calories you are consumed. Of the meal you use, approximately 1/3 goes to fuel 2% of your body. Neurogenesis is the process of creating new neurons in the brain. A neurogenic process can be enhanced through physical exercise, mental stimulation, and attention to proper nutrition. Brain changes with age. The brain considered one of the most important organs of the human body, as it plays a crucial role in thinking and memory, movement, control, and many other functions. With the passage of time and aging, the brain is exposed to the natural change that may affect the performance of function of the brain. One of the most common changes is that brain gradually shrinks in size, becomes smaller and lighter with age. A range between 5 to 10% of the age of reduction of the weight by the age of 60. Shrinkage can affect the brain ability to regenerate and communicate between neurons, which can lead to decline in cognitive function and memory. The brain becomes more fragile with age, and the tiny blood vessels in the brain are affecting the blood flow and cell nutrition. And this thinning of blood pressure may rupture and reduce stroke. The neural response becomes slower with age, and the memory, concentration, prediction, and motor coordination can be affected. The brain circulatory system can also affected by age, affecting blood flow and distribution of oxygen and nutrient to the nerve cells. This may cause deterioration of the brain and decline in the ability to think and remember. Brain cell regeneration. The possibility of neuronal regeneration in the past is thought that neurons in the brain could not regenerate after significant period of growth. Recent research shows that it's possible to generate nerve cells in some areas of the brain even with advanced age. Neurogenesis is a process creating new neurons in the brain. Physical and mental activity are important factors stimulating nerve regeneration. Exercise, solving puzzles, learning new things can stimulate growth and regeneration of neurons in the brain. Healthy lifestyle can affect the brain ability to regenerate neurons. Proper nutrition, good sleep, reducing stress and anxiety can contribute to enhance the brain ability to regenerate neurons and maintain their normal function. We would also advise avoid smoking. Smoking is harmful to the increased disease and dementia are related to disease such as dementia and stroke. Maintain proper appropriate blood pressure. High blood pressure can affect brain cells and increase the risk of disease. maintain healthy weight. That approximately weight is important part of maintaining brain health, reducing risk of chronic disease, staying away of alcohol, increase the risk of aging related disease such as dementia and stroke. Meeting and socializing, maintain a strong social network and connecting to others help maintain brain health and prevent depression and anxiety. Obesity destroys brain function, and this means that more weight you gain, the actual size and function of your brain decrease. Anxiety and depression worship application can help maintain brain health. Here comes role of fasting and hunger in regeneration of nerve cell. Fasting is common dietary habit in many culture and religion. Research shows that fasting can have positive effect on the regeneration of neurons of the brain. During the fasting period, the body stops eating for a specific period of time. This leads changes metabolism and ignite the nerve regeneration mechanism. When the body stops obtaining energy from food, it begins to use stored fats as energy source, and this leads to production of compounds called ketone. Ketones are compounds formed when fat is converted into energy. Research has shown that ketones can stimulate nerve cell regeneration and improve brain function. It contributes to increase the production of protein necessary for growth and regeneration of nerve cells. Fasting can affect the oxygen level in the brain. Research has shown fasting can increase oxygen level in the brain, which will promote nerve cell regeneration and improve brain function. In conclusion, the brain undergoes natural change with age, and this may affect performance and function of the brain. Neurogenesis in the brain can regenerate even in advanced age. This is thanks of physical, mental activity and healthy lifestyle. Fasting as starvation can have positive effect of nerve cell regeneration and improve brain function. It's recommended to practice fasting as starvation regularly and follow healthy lifestyle to maintain brain health and improve its capability. Rule of fasting is important. As you know, Islamic fasting is the top. Coming after this, the intermittent fasting. So, recommend fasting as it is very important in the treatment of brain condition. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.